So we just woke up and it is about 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. And I'm right now making the boys breakfast. Last night Joe and I went and saw the new Fantastic Beasts movie. It was really good. We really liked it. My lips are super dry. Today, last night while we were on our way to Fantastic Beasts, luckily my mom was here, but our car broke down, kind of, and we had to take it into the shop this morning, which was crazy. So that happened. Can you stop throwing things? Especially balls? Stop it. Look, he just throws stuff over here because he's mad that he's on the other side of the gate while I make breakfast. Look, see? And then we have our gate here, mostly because he knows how to get into everything, and we just try to keep everything safe. Oh, the puppy. Good morning, Bean. So yeah, I will check in back with you guys later when I know what we're doing. But today I have a really cool gratitude video I'm going to film. So I'm excited about that. And then, ooh, excellent, looking great. And then we're going to run some errands today, and maybe even stop at Trader Joe's. You guys might get another Trader Joe's haul. All right, so I will check in with you guys later. So I am in the bathroom whispering because my baby's asleep, getting ready to film a cool video for you guys. And then our car is gonna be ready the day after tomorrow, so that's done, and it's less money than we thought it was gonna be. Tender mercy. I think this lipstick makes my teeth look really yellow. Oh, I think I need to change that.
Nothing that jumps out. Wade Burke was a
Hey, buddy.
cut honor student type. He graduated
Hey, Harvey, want to say hi?
from college in 1988. Went to work at the family's carpet business.
Okay, so we are wrapping up the night. We are watching Home and folding tons of laundry. So yes, so this Vlogmas was pretty boring, but I can add bits of Harvey, little photos and everything, so you guys can see those. Thanks for tuning in for days 4 and 5 of Vlogmas, and we will see you in a couple days.